Okay, so I actually had a 4th floor room last time I came, and this is a 5th floor room, which is the top floor. So obviously the cleaners have been around since I arrived in the early hours this morning. They've done the bed. There's tea and coffee facilities. The bathroom. You have to put your card in the to operate the lights. Okay, this is the bathroom. Nice big sink there. All your toiletries and everything. Hairdryer. Shower. Nice big shower. Walk-in shower. Good sized wardrobe with hangers. And a safe there, which you can put your own number in and keep your own number. A few shelves there, drawers. There's a cupboard there. Good sized TV, remote control. Yeah, this is the fridge in the room. That orange juice there and the milk is what I've put in since I arrived. You actually get 2 bottles of orange, 2 bottles of Pepsi, 2 bottles of lemonade, and you get 2 bottles of water as well included in the all inclusive. I've taken the water out today. The can of FS is mine as well. Okay. So draw the curtains. This is one of the windows. Beautiful view there. Okay, let's have a look outside. This is your balcony area. Lovely big balcony, which actually goes all the way around the other side. There's a window which we were looking through before. It goes all the way around here to this little bit there. There's another view of the swim up rooms and the other pool, which I'll just zoom in. That's known as a quieter pool. There's not as much music playing there. It's a little bit quieter if you want to sit around there and chill. These are the pools that interconnect with the separate swim-up rooms. Okay. This is the EFTALIA village, by the way. All these apartments here. The reception area is just around there. But this is where the coach drops you off, right at these gates here. There's a security person there, usually in attendance. You get a beautiful view from up here. There's a lovely big balcony. Your usual 2 chairs and a table. You got this thing here for drying your clothes on, or your towels and whatnot. If you look over here, you can see the EFTALIA village, and if I zoom in, you can just about see the pool area, and I think that's their entertainment bit there, the stage, if you're staying there. There's a few shops around here, shops and supermarkets which you can visit. I've been there on my last visit. I walked up this path here. The supermarket was somewhere up here, which I bought me supplies of FS lager and a bottle of vodka, which incidentally is cheaper than buying it in the hotel, although the hotel is quite reasonably priced anyway. Okay, now every room's got an air conditioning unit, or it should have an air conditioning unit. It's so easy to operate. They all come with a remote control. All you do is switch it on, like so, and it fires up straight away. Now what you want to do is you want to have it on the like the snowflake emblem on the left hand side. You see the little arrow underneath there. Just get to focus, there you go. Here's your temperature control, so you can have it a little bit warmer if you like, not too chilly, or you can just like have it how I like it, like that's the minimum. 16 degrees centigrade, but it does actually feel a lot cooler than that. And that'll keep running all night unless you either switch it off or turn it up a little bit. I haven't actually bothered with any of the rest of the controls, but they're fairly quite easy to work out actually. But it's good that they give you this. It's very good, because a lot of hotels, they just kind of the air conditioning is centrally controlled, so you don't have a lot of control in the matter. It's either on or off, and if it's on, it's usually like feels quite warm, you know. So the fact that they actually give you a remote control to operate yourself is a definite plus. So yeah, that's a good one, that.